Tariq Jameel's story begins in 1953 in the rural district of Tulamba, Pakistan. Born into a family of farmers, his upbringing was modest, emphasizing simplicity and hard work. Young Tariq displayed an early inclination towards faith and spirituality. He was known for his respectful demeanor and thirst for knowledge, often found immersed in religious texts. This early exposure to Islamic teachings laid the foundation for his future path. His family, deeply rooted in their faith, recognized his spiritual inclination. They nurtured his interest, providing him with opportunities to learn and grow. Tariq Jameel's early life was a blend of traditional values and a deep-seated yearning for spiritual understanding. This combination would shape his journey and ultimately lead him to become a beacon of hope and inspiration for millions around the world. Despite his humble beginnings, Tariq Jameel possessed a sharp intellect and a strong desire for education. He excelled in his studies, particularly in science, which led him to pursue a career in medicine. This decision reflected a practical approach, a desire to serve humanity in a tangible way. Little did he know that his path would take an unexpected turn, leading him towards a different yet equally profound form of service. Tariq Jameel's pursuit of medicine took him to Lahore, where he enrolled in King Edward Medical College. This bustling city, a center of learning and culture, exposed him to diverse perspectives and ideologies. While excelling in his medical studies, he felt a growing spiritual void within him. The complexities of the human body, while fascinating, couldn't quench his thirst for spiritual understanding. His search for meaning led him back to his roots, to the teachings of Islam. He began attending lectures by renowned Islamic scholars, immersing himself in the study of the Quran and Hadith. This period was a turning point in his life, a profound transformation that shifted his focus from the physical to the spiritual. He realized that his true calling lay not in treating the body, but in healing the soul. Inspired by the teachings of Islam, Tariq Jameel decided to dedicate his life to spreading its message of peace, love, and compassion. He abandoned his medical studies and enrolled in Jamia Arabia Raywin, a renowned Islamic seminary in Pakistan. Here, he immersed himself in the study of Islamic theology, jurisprudence, and spirituality under the tutelage of distinguished scholars. His dedication and commitment were evident, and he quickly gained recognition for his eloquence and deep understanding of Islamic principles. Tariq Jameel's approach to Islamic teachings is characterized by its simplicity, clarity, and emphasis on the core values of Islam: peace, love, compassion, and unity. He avoids complex theological debates and focuses instead on the practical application of Islamic principles in daily life. His teachings resonate with people from all walks of life, regardless of their background, ethnicity, or social status. His ability to connect with audiences stems from his genuine humility and empathy. He speaks from the heart, using simple language and relatable examples to convey profound spiritual concepts. He avoids judgment and condemnation, choosing instead to inspire and uplift his listeners. This approach has earned him respect and admiration from people of different faiths and backgrounds, bridging divides and fostering understanding. One of the key factors contributing to his widespread appeal is his emphasis on the universal values shared by all major religions. He stresses the importance of love, compassion, forgiveness, and respect for all human beings regardless of their beliefs. This message of unity and tolerance resonates deeply in a world often divided by religious and cultural differences. At the heart of Tariq Jameel's teachings lies a powerful message of peace. He emphasizes that Islam is a religion of peace, urging his followers to embody this principle in their thoughts, words, and actions. He denounces all forms of violence and extremism, advocating for dialogue and understanding as the means to resolve conflicts. In a world rife with turmoil and strife, his message of peace offers a beacon of hope and a path towards a more harmonious future. He also stresses the importance of love and compassion, not just towards fellow Muslims, but towards all of humanity. He reminds his listeners that kindness and empathy are essential virtues that transcend religious boundaries. His teachings encourage individuals to look beyond superficial differences and recognize the inherent dignity of every human being. This message of universal love and compassion resonates deeply with people from all walks of life, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness. Furthermore, he emphasizes the importance of personal transformation and spiritual growth as the foundation for a just and equitable society. He encourages his followers to focus on purifying their hearts, cultivating virtues like honesty, integrity, and humility. He believes that true societal change begins with individual transformation, with each person striving to become a better version of themselves. Section 5. Anecdotes of transformation lives touched by his words. Countless stories highlight the transformative power of Tariq Jameel's teachings. People from all walks of life, from hardened criminals to successful businessmen, have shared how his words touched their hearts and inspired them to change their lives. These anecdotes, often shared during his sermons, serve as powerful testimonies to the impact of his message. One such story involves a young man who was on the verge of joining a terrorist organization. He attended one of Tariq Jameel's sermons out of curiosity and was deeply moved by his message of peace and forgiveness. The young man realized the error of his ways and abandoned his plans, choosing instead to dedicate his life to promoting peace and understanding. Another anecdote tells the story of a wealthy businessman who was consumed by greed and materialism. After listening to Tariq Jameel's sermon on the importance of charity and compassion, the businessman was deeply moved. He realized the emptiness of his materialistic pursuits and decided to dedicate his wealth to helping the poor and needy. Section 6. Beyond Borders, a global voice for unity and love. Tariq Jameel's message transcends geographical boundaries. His sermons are translated into numerous languages and disseminated widely through television channels, radio stations, and online platforms. He has a massive following across the globe, with millions tuning in to listen to his lectures and seek guidance from his teachings. His travels have taken him to various corners of the world, from the Middle East to Europe and North America. He has addressed diverse audiences including students, academics, business leaders, and politicians, spreading his message of peace, love, and unity. His impact extends beyond the Muslim community. People from different faiths and backgrounds are drawn to his message of universal values and his ability to bridge divides. His teachings have inspired interfaith dialogues and initiatives aimed at promoting understanding and cooperation among different religious groups. Section 7. A legacy of inspiration, continuing the journey of knowledge. Tariq Jameel's legacy extends beyond his sermons and lectures. He has established various educational and charitable institutions aimed at empowering underprivileged communities. These institutions provide quality education, healthcare, and vocational training, enabling individuals to break free from the cycle of poverty and contribute meaningfully to society. His emphasis on education, particularly religious education, stems from his belief that knowledge is the key to individual and societal transformation. He encourages his followers to seek knowledge throughout their lives, emphasizing that learning is a lifelong journey. His teachings continue to inspire countless individuals around the world. His message of peace, love, and unity offers hope in a world often torn apart by conflict and division. His legacy is a testament to the power of faith to inspire positive change and create a more just and compassionate world. Section 8. Discover More, a call to understanding. This essay has only scratched the surface of the life and teachings of Tariq Jameel. His story is an inspiration, reminding us of the power of faith, compassion, and dedication to making the world a better place. His message transcends cultural and religious boundaries, offering a universal message of peace, love, and unity. I encourage you to delve deeper into his teachings and discover the profound impact they can have on your own life. Explore his sermons, lectures, and writings, and allow his words to inspire you to become a beacon of light and hope